Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will revolutionize your home workouts.
On the left, we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, we have the UREVO Under Desk Treadmill.
Let the battle begin.
Let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes in at a cool $369, while the UREVO Treadmill is slightly pricier at $399.
Now I know what you're thinking. Why should I pay more? Well, stick around and you'll find out.
Next up, let's talk about the motor. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill boasts an improved brushless motor with a max 3.0 HP, providing efficient and reliable operation. It can reach speeds of 8.7 miles per hour, while emitting only 40 to 65 decibels of noise. Your downstairs neighbors will thank you. On the other hand, the UREVO treadmill features a powerful 2.25 HP motor with a maximum load of 265 pounds. It's not only strong, but also as quiet as a ninja.
No disturbances here.
Now let's dive into the exciting features these treadmills offer. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes with built-in handrail heart sensors, allowing you to monitor your pulse rate during exercise.
Talk about staying in the fitness zone. It also offers 3 different manual incline positions, simulating the challenge of running uphill. Leg day, here we come. On the other hand, the UREVO treadmill is a 2-in-1 wonder. It can be used in both open running mode, with speeds ranging from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour, and folding walking mode, with speeds ranging from 0.6 to 4 miles per hour. It's perfect for those who want to work out while working from home. Plus, it comes with a remote control that has a one-key function to eliminate prompt sounds. No more interruptions during your conference calls. Convenience is key when it comes to home fitness equipment. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill features a hydraulic system for safe and hands-free unfolding. Say goodbye to scuffing your floors. It also has transportation wheels for effortless movement and storage. Maintenance is a breeze with its individual easy self-lubrication hole. No more excuses for not working out. Meanwhile, the UREVO treadmill takes convenience to the next level with its UREVO app. Connect it to the app and access your workout reports. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, this treadmill and app combo has you covered. It even has a multi-function LED display to keep track of your exercise status in real time. Talk about staying on top of your game. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the UMAY Fitness Treadmill for its compact and foldable design, easy-to-use features, and convenient storage. Reviewers recommend it for small spaces and consider it a smart investment. On the other hand, the UREVO treadmill has received positive feedback for its quiet operation, solid build, versatility, and budget-friendly price. Users have found it effective for walking and using during workdays. Both treadmills have satisfied customers with their overall performance. And there you have it, folks. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the UREVO Under Desk Treadmill battled it out, but in the end, it all comes down to your personal preference and needs. Both treadmills offer fantastic features at competitive prices. So weigh your options, consider your workout style, and make your choice wisely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that will help you buy smart. Let us know in the comments which treadmill you would choose and why. Stay fit and see you next time on Buy Smart.